Wherever you are in your child's pose is just perfect. Couple breaths here, just feeling the tension leave your body as you begin to move. So important to move throughout the day and take breaks from whatever repetitive thing you're doing, whether that's sitting at a desk or any other things we do that might cause tension in our body. Now inhale, lift up. Again, you're using the blocks or not. You'll place your elbows either on the mat or the blocks, hands in prayer, and thread your head through. This will just deepen the stretch here and start to stretch the triceps a little bit. Breathing easily in and out through your nose if possible.
Slowly everything opens up, yes. This heart beats only with your name.
And we'll inhale up, set the blocks aside, and come into a tabletop position. From here, we'll take some dancing lines. So some big circles of the hips and shoulders, warming up the joints.